Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me an idea and they just can't get it to work, and they want to know how you could draw this. I don't know what it would be for, if they're going to engrave it, and it would be pretty cool. But they're using the graph paper. They told me that they set it on 20 by 20. If you will hold down your control button, it makes a perfect rectangle. Then what they're doing is taking and I tell you what, I'm going to make that black so we can see it better. Then they're taking a object and doing this, and they get that, but they cannot figure out how to get the outside to trim away, because back minus front or front minus back will not work anymore. So what you can do is take another ellipse, hit P, let's make it a little bit bigger by holding down the shift key, and then take that ellipse. Let's set my nudge factor on, let's see how big this is, 24. So let's set our nudge factor on 30. We'll nudge our ring out of the way, because what you need to do is make an object. So then we're going to take the Smart Fill tool, set on red or whatever color, and put it in there. And then we're going to change the color and make it green, just so you can see it. And we're making a ring, if that makes any sense. And then just take it and intersect it. And voila, below there is the ring of lines, I guess you're going to call it. And you can change it. You can make it whatever thickness you want of line. You can make it whatever color of line you want. And I don't know really what this is for, but it's not my, it's just, they just wanted to know how to get, they got this far, but they couldn't get this far. So it's two different tools, and one of them was back minus front, one of them was intersect. Intersect is going to take an object and intersect what's in there out. As you can see, like right there. Anything that was overlapping is going to be cut out. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.